angakakwazi ukusho, but as soon as I'm given the go ahead ngizosho ne, I will definitely post it on my feed. It will look amazing. Yeah, I cannot wait to tell you guys. It's gonna be very exciting. I cannot wait. It's coming.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Nosipho stories, and today I'll talk about Uzalo. Well guys, last week it was Nosipho's last scene on the show. She was actually bidding farewell to her fans, and the last scene guys was her last scene as she was arrested after shooting Pastor Kwala, and the next after ukshona kwengane yakhe. Nosipho being arrested, you know, there's a hope that she might come back in future because they didn't kill her character. But even if they kill her character, you know she might wake up once again and be alive. But anyway guys, after that incident, after Nosipho, ama fans were actually disappointed to the writers Uzalo ngokuhambisa one of the best actors ebezinayo. Guys, if I'm not mistaken, Nosipho was the last person left from the old crew who started with Uzalo ngesikhathi lusashisa kusakhona omangcobo kusekhona omxoliso mastermind. Yalikhumbula lo Uzalo leliyana ukuthi yo lwalushisa kakhulu, and there is where bathola khona ama viewers kakhulu, and people bastika kuZalo because of those characters. So guys, yeah, Nosipho, I think she was the last person left from that crew, if I'm not counting Umondli, Umamlambo kanye noSbu, because their characters are not that busy and the storyline sabo asikho. Yabona nje, if you can ask me ukuthi uMamlambo wenzani kuZalo, I cannot tell you. I can't even remember ukuthi wenzani uMamlambo, and naye I don't think she knows ukuthi wenzani kuZalo. uSbu, I don't know ukuthi wenzani. Okay, Umondli yena, he is a police. But guys, yeah, uNosipho, yo, that lady really gave it all to that character. She kept the character Nosipho alive, and for that we want to say thank you so much for, you know, for sharing your craft with us. We really appreciate you, Nosipho. Her real name guys is Nompilo Maphumulo. The good news guys ukuthi uNosipho useqalile ukushutha nenye i-production. She said she will share with us the good news as soon as she's given a go ahead by the production ukuthi now she can share with her fans. This was her farewell message to her son Kazimulo, who is left stranded without her parents on his screen. Guys, uteke kukho konke, our journey was too short. I know we both wish for more time to Sigijima, but the writers had other plans. If there is one thing I pray for, Ogijima nawe again, son, be it screen or live in theater. You remind me of me. I miss you, boy. God gave me another son in you. Thank you for your honesty when performing. It's been an honor sharing craft with you. You are exceptional in what you do. I want to hold it down and never lose focus. See you soon, Dwanayami. Yeah, guys, we hope they will meet again and finish what they started. In everything, guys, they must just remember ukuthi manje they have a competitor, and both the production are from KZN. So now, yeah, kusazoshuba ngampela. Competitor yabo guys umkhokha on Mzansi Magic, same time 161 or channel 161. I'm scared nje ukuthi guys, if they continue like this, they might lose viewership. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion about if future Uzalo uyibona ihamba njani, uyibona ikuphi. Yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Bye.